As I got in the same order, we're going to look at the Aussie yen because that's the next one in the order. I'm looking at the Aussie yen. Our plan was to buy it last week from above 86.11. We have now closed the week at 86.49. Our structural long point is the same, 88.58, so that's not going to change. This remains where it's at. And now we're going to look at our chart, and you can see how representative this price action based upon what we have been describing, looking at how weak the yen is and how relatively strong the Australian is. And you can see that even this close is actually stronger than the dollar yen close, but the distance between 85.30 and closing here at 86.49. So we're looking for this to continue to move higher. This is 86.43. We close at 86.49, so all of this is good. The previous daily high is 86.57. We closed the week at 86.49, so we're pretty much there. So let's look at the intraday. Looking at the intraday, you can see the momentum that came in on Friday. So we're looking now for a next push up. So we will buy it above the 86.57. If we buy it above 86.57, my stop has to be below 86.26. So we are going to buy the Aussie yen above 86.57. Our stop is going to be below 86.26, and the structure long point remains the same at 88.58. Okay, on the short side, where are we going to take it short? Just looking at the intraday chart and looking also at the daily chart, there isn't really much of a reason to actually press the short side in the Aussie yen. But if we have to, I mean, and this is what we should, we always have to plan the contingencies. Looking at this with all what we have over here, this is the first place that I can consider even taking it short, below the 85.92. And if I take it short below the 85.92, my stop is going to be here around 86. Around 86.10. So I'm risking about 20 pips on that trade, and my structure short point remains the same, 85.30. So for the Aussie yen, we're going to go short below, what's the number here? Below 85.90. Going to go short below 85.92, which is the number I'm trying to remain with the numbers, and my stop is going to be 86.10, and my structure short point is still remains the same, the 85.30. So for the Aussie yen, I'm going to buy the Aussie yen above 86.57. If I do, I have a structure long point at 88.58, and my stop is going to be 86.26. I'm risking about 26 pips on that trade. On the short side, I'm going to go short below 85.92. If I do, I have a stop at 86.10 and I have a structure short point at 85.30. Okay, that is the Aussie yen. So